Hello everyone. In the previous part, we talked about the top ribbon of the TradingView platform. In this part, left ribbon will be explained in details. So don't move away, keep watching in order not to miss any important point. The first toolbar on top is cursors, which included 4 options. The first 3, cross, dot, and arrow, if chosen, just show the information of the candles by moving the cursor on the chart. But the last one is eraser, which by selecting you can remove any drawing an indicator on the chart. For example, let me draw a line and plot an indicator. Now by selecting eraser we can remove this line and indicator. The next toolbar is Trendline Tools, which consists of lots of various tools, including trendline, row, horizontal line, vertical line, parallel channel, and many other tools. And more than all, trendline, horizontal line, vertical line, and parallel channel are being used widely. Next toolbar is GAN and Fibonacci Tools. In this list, Fibonacci retracement and extension are my most favorite tools, and I strongly recommend you to master using these 2 tools. It will help you a lot in finding price targets and retracement levels. Next toolbar is geometric shapes. If you don't want to draw and determine your chart patterns such as horizontal channel and triangles by line, you can use this toolbar, and by choosing triangle and rectangle, highlight your favorite chart patterns. And for drawing non-horizontal channels, try to use parallel channel in Trendline Tools, right here in this toolbar. Next toolbar is Annotation Tools. You can write a text such as a comment on your analysis or add a note to your chart, or moreover, if you have published an idea on TradingView website about Forex, crypto, or whatever, a special symbol before, by copying its link in this box, you can see and watch your analysis on the chart. Just notice that the current symbol chart should be the symbol which you have published idea about. And also by copying tweet link, if you have tweeted before, you can either see it on the chart. Next toolbar is about some existing and ready-to-use patterns such as triangle, head and shoulders, Elliott waves, time cycles, and etc. I'm not interested in this toolbar at all, and it's better to use your method for finding and drawing patterns and wave counts. Next toolbar is about prediction and measurement tools. Easy through the first 2 options. You can make your short and long position or sell and buy. No difference, just their synonyms. For example, let's have a long position here. Well, our stop loss would be here and take profit locates up here. Our risk to reward ratio, which being calculated by the system, being shown above the interpoint line by moving the cursor on this red or blue box. You can see that. If you have learned just one single point since now, hit that like button to go for the continuation of this part. Next toolbar is about icons, a large and varied icon list that you can use each of them according to your needs. Next toolbar is measurement, which by choosing you can measure any distance on the chart just by determining the first and the second points. The next toolbar is zoom in and out. By selecting the desired area, you can zoom in and look at the chart in a very close view. The next toolbar is magnet. According to its usage guide, the snaps drawing placed near price bars the closest OHLC value, and it has both weak and strong modes. Next toolbar, if we choose, then we will stay in drawing mode, half. Let me explain it with an objective example. If I choose the trend line to draw a line, since I draw the line, the chosen option will reset, and for drawing another line I should choose it again. But if this tool is on, there is no need to choose Trendline tool every time for drawing. You can draw your second line just since as the previous line being drawn. Next toolbar locks all drawing tools. By turning it on, no more we can change or move the tool values. If you want to see your raw chart after drawing some tools or plotting indicators, easily by turning this on, you can hide all your drawing without deleting. And for removing all your drawings and indicators, or both indicators and drawings together at the same time, you can use this toolbar. And finally, for ease of use, you can customize your favorite toolbar and gather all your favorite tools together just by clicking on the hollow star next to each tool. Then it will be added to your favorite toolbar. And by choosing this toolbar, it will float on the chart and easily you can move it wherever you want. Well, that was all about the left ribbon of the TradingView platform, guys. Thank you very much for being with me till the end. Hope that it was useful. And don't forget to subscribe if still you are not subscribed. Have a good time. See you soon.